Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you what you should do if you can't charge your Tune 770NC JBL and what are the things that you can try to do. So the first thing is always try different cable. So this is the first thing, try different cable for charging. If you have a USB-C cable, do that. Also try a different port or the adapter, maybe this is going to work too. And then the next step that we can try to do is reset them. So what you're going to do is turn them off. Then I'm going to turn them on. And then you want to hold the minus and plus buttons together. For like 15-20 seconds, like 10 to 15 seconds. And it's going to say power off, it's going to turn off, and then it's going to turn on again. So this is how it's possible to fix it, and I hope some of these tips helped you. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.